Hey guys, today we are making an easy plum recipe. There are pits inside, and now you take 1 kilo, like 2 pounds, in a pot. You put at a slow cooking fire, and you add like 1 kilo or 2 pounds of special sugar. This sugar already contains some gelatin inside, who will help to make hard the jam. So you make the fire really slow, and you mix it until the sugar dissolve. I didn't put any water; it's the natural water of the sugar and of the fruit. You can see the fruit start to be softer. You continue to mix them slowly and slowly. You want something really delicious. And after a while, it starts to boil. When it's boiled, you take out the foam and you add a nut of butter. You mix it more until the butter dissolves. And here you can see the butter is almost dissolved. This butter will give you an extra touch and an extra yummy taste to your ham. It's the secret of my mom. Not really sure what else he bring, but I just follow my mom and my grandma recipe. So now it start to be cool down. Don't let it cool down so much. Take some glass pot, and I use the Bon Maman one that I had from my other jam that I bought in the shop, but you can use any one. And with a metal sealed, so it's easy to seal. Fill them up. You let like, let's say, like half an inch, like 1 centimeter and a half on top before the lid so it doesn't touch. And now also you have to wash it really well and dry them really well before. So when you will close the pot, it will naturally sealed, and you will not have to do anything else except let it cool down without moving it, and the jam will be becoming harder and will be ready to use. You will be able to conserve it for like, let's say, 1 2 years easily in a dark storage place, not too hot, like room temperature. It's better if you have a basement, but if you don't have, just keep it in a storage. Once open, you can eat them in a couple of weeks, but you have to keep it in the fridge. You can see they look delicious. Uh, just take me a couple of minutes. Really cheap, really easy to use the fruit of your garden. If you don't have a garden, just also go to your local farm. You can buy this plum fruit and make any other delicious jam. Same recipe with strawberry or any other fruit from the tree, and just easy, delicious, tasty. You can do it with your kids, and you have a lot of jam ready for delicious breakfast. Talk to you guys soon. Follow me, subscribe me, and see you guys.